Booty, 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 rockin' everywhere. Booty, 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 rockin' everywhere. Booty, 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 rockin'.
Do it.
Hey y'all. So me and Miranda, we are out to lunch or ooh, look at that car. Nice car. But we are at Parrots bar and grill. We're on.
That window's open, by the way. We can stick our
hands out of it.
She thought we were away for that.
Super. Well, we are on Granville Street. We're like further down than like.
We're on Granville and Davie.
Yeah, Granville and Davie. And we're just having some lunch, you know? It's Sunday, we both have the day, oh well, I had the day off and she finished early. So, yeah, we're hungry, so we decided to go out. We've decided to do this thing like every month, at least once a month. We're gonna go out to a different place and eat. And we're gonna try to get different stuff, too. Because we usually get the same things at I usually get like steak every time I go out. But we're gonna try some different stuff.
I did in Fort Langley. I got the pulled pork or whatever. The sandwich thing. They had really good coleslaw. Was I super white for a minute?
Yeah.
I should put that on the screen.
So yeah. That's what the restaurant looks like.
So cute. Look at the little trees behind us.
Like the tree.
It's so cute. It looks a little angry though.
Oh yeah. Wait. Let me zoom in on that. Look at his angry face.
I can't tell if this is a rhino's butt or a rock.
I think it's a rock.
Like this rhino there. This one's showing me its butt.
Booty, 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 rocking everywhere. Booty, 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 rocking. I should put that song over and over again.
Booty, 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 rockin' everywhere. Booty, 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 rockin' everywhere. Booty, 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 rockin'.
Yeah, but it's a nice little restaurant. Or even zoom out.
Not really a restaurant.
Well, like a
bar? Grill?
bar and grill.
I don't think it was a grill though. I think it's like pub. It's more like a pub. They have a touch photo booth. No, Teresa, we have to. It's on a jukebox. No, I'm in heaven. And it just said Sunday fun day. I'm kind of out of it. Oh, it is Sunday.
It is Sunday.
Tina. Same Kevin.
I just really need food.
I guess to get food.
Some guy is going in the trash and getting like cans and stuff. Yeah, I'll come back when the food is here, which is I hope is soon. Look at all these cars. Like, look at that car.
At least we're on the street. I'm gonna laugh if you turn that like fast enough. I'm pretty sure the scene's doing that in the background.
Yep. Damn it. Yeah, I'm gonna come back when our food's here. Bye. Hello. Hello. Did you have chicken strips? Well, that was rude. Anyway, she got chicken strips. I got the steak witch, which is steak on garlic bread with onion rings, and I'm gonna devour it because I'm hungry sick. Bye. So I'm back, and I'm gonna taste this together. Let me put it again. Struggling. Okay.
You have to have the entire bite there. Don't forget about your. Nope. You're forgetting the.
I can't get it all on. Okay. Wait. Okay, this is my steak witch. So I'm back, and I'm gonna taste this together. Let me put it again. Struggling. Okay.
You have to have the entire bite there. Don't forget about your. Nope, you're forgetting the.
I can't get it all on. Okay, no, wait. Okay.
That was such a good sneeze, though. Are you kidding?
We are at Yaletown. This is like one of my. I've told you guys how this is like one of my favorite places ever. You know.
And now, so a little bit more information. You're gonna be a tree.
Yeah.
Girl, you sound like a puppet. I want to be a real girl.
Ooh, look at that car. We just had munchies.
Cut that out.
We sat here. Ate it. Now we're gonna head back to my place. This is where we are now.
We're right here where it says you are here, where that little speck. Where the atoms family.
So if you ever come to Vancouver, this is where you should go. This is like a really nice chill place to
There's
just.
lots of places you should go.
But this is my favorite place, Yaletown. Like one day, if I was like to have $1 bajillion,
Oh, yeah.
I'd live in one of these
Yeah.
buildings.
Yeah. Oh my gosh, the Grace Building.
Yeah, I took pictures of it.
Oh.
I'm gonna try to put the pictures. Hey, that was a cool little shot.
My heart.
It's like,
What is?
wait, I need to take a picture of that. Bye. Unboxing. I carried this big ass box all the way back to my apartment. Look at these. Okay. My camera's about to die, so I'm gonna come back when I have my shoes on. Ooh, shoe haul.
What you gonna do? This is just for us now. I can never ever find the right words, and there's no way this is real life. There's no telling you're the right girl, so I can only say that it feels right. It feels right. Yeah, I can only say that it feels right. It feels right. Yeah, I can only say that it feels right.